Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install TikTok app on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have enough storage on your phone. And now you want to click on your App Store and click on the search bar at the lower right corner of your screen and click again on the search bar. And now just go ahead and search for TikTok. And now as you can see here, I already have the TikTok app, but you should see a get button here instead of open. So just go ahead and click that. Let's go back to App Store. So you should have the get button, right? So just go ahead and click that, and once you've clicked that, App Store will ask for your Apple ID password. So just go ahead and give it type it, because you need to type your password before you can install any apps that you want. So after that, just go ahead and wait for it. And once it is done installing, just go ahead and open your TikTok app. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.